Okay. Uh, Let me open the notes for you. So yesterday, what we have discussed, I just recall you the session. Like yesterday, we have discussed the basic arithmetic and some kind of statistical functions like sum, count, average, max, min, product, count A, count blank, and sum product. So in this sum product is something like which we use to write the array formulas. So that function you will get to know while we are writing the array formulas. Other than like we have used SUMIF, SUMIFs, COUNTIFs, MAXIFs, MINIFs, AVERAGEIF, and AVERAGEIFs. So for that, like I'm going to download a file now, which is called the Sample Superstore data file. Okay. Uh, that file from today onwards, that file we are going to work with. Okay. Sample Superstore data set. Let me download that and then let me share my screen with you so that anyway, this file is gonna share with you. So yesterday I have given a few things actually to you, right? Hello.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So did you guys able to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Very good. Actually, I'm about to join at 10. If it's possible today, I'll check that. Otherwise, I will try to uh, uh, check by tomorrow at least. Okay. Yep. So we are good to share my screen. Yep. So you all can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We are good to. See, you can see this right data, right? I'll explain this data to you. This is the online available data, orders, returns, and people. So in the orders, like we have the row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory of that product, and then the product name, and then sales, the quantity, how much quantity was sold for this product, and then what is the discount that we have given. So what is the profit that we got? So this is the data I have. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is we will discuss some scenarios. Okay. So this is how in the real time that you need to work. Okay. So this is how you will get some kind of data, whether it's, for example, once you look at this data, this is the orders data, right? Mm, so with this orders data, I'm going to give some kind of criteria to uh, all of you. Okay. Now here I have the total sales, total profit. I want to find out the total sales. So what is the function that we are going to use? Everyone should respond to it.
Equals to sum if.
Sum if.
Yeah.
No, I ask you to find out the total sales.
Equal to
Total.
sum of, sir.
Very good. Equal to sum of. Just give this entire column name Q1 to Q995. That means 9,995 rows data we have here, right? So this is how we just can find out the total sales. Now I'll ask you to find out the highest sale value, highest sales. So what is the function that we are going to use?
Max of, sir.
Equals to max of.
Very good, guys. Equal to max of.
Max.
Very good. So if you want to find out the lowest sales for this,
Equal
Min.
Equals to
minimum.
min of.
very good. Equals to min of. Very good. If I want to find out the average profit for this data set, what is the average profit that we got?
Equal
Here
to
we
average of.
Average of.
very good. Average profit. Average profit equal to average of. That's it. Okay. 28.6568963. Okay. This is the functions yesterday we have learned. Now you guys need to respond to me. There is a category furniture, right? For the furniture, I want to find out the profit. See, this is the, if we apply the sum, like we'll get the total profit. But I'm asking you to find out the total profit for furniture category. Listen to me carefully again. So if we apply the sum function, we'll get the profit. That's okay. But I'm asking you to find out the total profit for the furniture category. So what is the function that we are supposed to use? Now tell me. Furniture profit. I need furniture profit. Yep.
SUMIF you share.
SUMIFs
AC equals to some ifs.
equals to SUMIFs.
So few people are saying some ifs. Few people are saying some if, but actually we are going to use some if for this. Some if, because here I have only one criteria. See, only one criteria, that is furniture. Okay. So here in the range, I'm going to give the entire category column. Why? Because my criteria furniture was in the category column. So this will become my range. So I have given the range. Next is criteria. Okay. For the criteria, I'm going to select the furniture. This is my criteria. Next, the sum range will be the profit. Sum range will be the profit. Okay, here I'm summing up the profit column. Okay. See, 1845127. Okay. Is that clear? I'll give you one more example
Yeah.
then. I'll give you one more example. In the subcategory column, there is an art. I ask you to find out the total sales for the art itself. Total sales for the art. Okay. Art sales equal to SUMIF. Equal to SUMIF. What should be my range? Subcategory, right? Because
Yeah.
my criteria art was in the subcategory column. I'll just select this. Criteria is art. Criteria is art. I just selected the art cell. And then sum range is sales, because the question is art sales, right? Total sales for the art. So which thing needs to be summed up? Sales. Okay. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, I'll ask you one more question here. There is a region column. For the region, South region, I'll ask you to find out the total quantity. So what is the column that you are going to use?
One criteria కాబట్టి SUMIF యూస్ చేస్తారు సార్.
Very good. Total quantity. So for the South region, total quantity. I'll ask you to find out. Now, what is the function? SUMIF equal to SUMIF. The range is what? Which column?
Region.
Very good. Comma. Criteria is South. Criteria is South. Sum range is quantity we are supposed to take. Quantity. Okay. 6209. 6209. Right? So now you all clear with the SUMIF function? Is there any doubts on the SUMIF function? Do you want me to repeat once
Yes,
again?
sir.
Everyone in the class needs to respond.
No, no, it's
No.
No doubt.
Okay. Then I'll show you what is a multi-criteria when we have a two or more criteria. Okay. For example, in the south region, there is a chairs. Okay. South region, we have sold the chairs. I'll ask you to find out the total profit for south region chairs. Okay. Profit, I need profit for what? South region chairs. Okay. So what is the function name we are supposed to give? Sum ifs.
SUMIF.
Sum ifs. See, SUMIF is different from the SUMIFs. SUMIF can only accept the single criteria. SUMIFs can accept the multiple criteria.
Multiple.
Okay, is that good? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what is the first parameter for SUMIFs? What is what is the first parameter? What is the first argument for the SUMIFs?
Profits.
This
Some
Region.
range. Some range in the sense we are supposed to give what? First thing,
profit.
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 What is the next parameter? Criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is region.
Region.
What is that? Region. In that region, what is my criteria? South.
South.
Okay. In the criteria range 2, like see, subcategory will become my criteria range 2. Okay. In that, what is my criteria? Everyone
Chair.
should respond. Chairs. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Now
Yes.
I'll come up with one more criteria. So there is a state. There is a state column. In the K column, there is a state. Let's assume there is a California. For the California state, for the phones, what is the total profit? Okay. Remember the question once again. For the profit, California state, and then for the phones, right? Phones is the subcategory, California is the state. Okay. We will see. Equal to SUMIFs. Equal to SUMIFs. The sum range is gonna be K column, that is state.
State.
Nobody is responding actually. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Exactly. This is for the SUMIF actually. For the SUMIF, we'll give the criteria range first. But we are rating with the SUMIFs. For the SUMIFs, what is that? Sum range is the first argument, right? What is the sum range over here? Profit. What
Profit.
is the sum range over here? Profit. So criteria range 1, the column K, state. In this, what I have to give? California. Next, criteria range 2 is subcategory. In this, I'm supposed to give
Phone.
what? Phones. Exactly, 6309. Okay. Next will be, we'll discuss one more criteria. For the West region, for the furniture, what is the total sales? Sales for West region, okay, and then furniture category, furniture category, furniture category. Okay. So what is the function we are supposed to use?
SUMIF.
Multiple criteria కాబట్టి SUMIF.
SUMIF.
Very good. Sum range will be so sales,
Sales.
and then the criteria range will be region. So my
Yes.
criteria would be West. My criteria
West.
would be West. My criteria range 2 would be category.
Category.
So in
Furniture.
this, my criteria is furniture. So now tell me, you all are good with SUMIF and SUMIFs?
Yeah, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Now, SUMIF is clear, SUMIFs is clear, the basic arithmetic functions is clear. Now we'll discuss the COUNTIF on this. Okay. See in this column, that's M column. There is a column called region. There is a header called region. Okay. In this, totally we have 9,995 rows. We have 9,900.
90.
Correct. So in this 9,995, the first row is header. That means like how many values we have? 9,994. If you see the count, you can understand 9,994. Okay, that's okay. In this, how many West count? I just want to know. I just want to know West count. So how do I go? How do I count that? I need the West count. Yeah, tell me.
Count A.
Count if. Count if. Count if. So range is two arguments we have for this function, range and criteria. So this is the region, and then criteria is I asked you to find out the West, right? The West count. So 3203. So 9,994 values. In that, I have 3,203 values we have for the West count. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I ask you to find out the furniture count, what do you say? Furniture count equal to count if. Range would be category column and the criteria will be furniture. 2121, right? For example, I'll ask you to find out the phones count in the subcategory column. Phones count. Phones count equal to. Guys, you should respond.
Yeah, count if.
Count if, yeah. Subcategory,
Subcategory. Phone.
criteria would be.
Phone
Phone.
zone.
That's it. You all clear with the count if function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll move on to the COUNTIFs then. Okay. So for the state of the Kentucky, I want to find out the furniture count. For the state of Kentucky, I want to find out the furniture count. Okay. So what is the function I'm supposed to use?
COUNTIF,
Yeah.
sir.
Count if.
Very good. So equal to count ifs. Ifs. What is the first argument? Criteria range 1. So then what should I take? State column.
State.
This is the state. Criteria 1 would be Kentucky. Next criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 is category.
Category.
In this, what is my criteria? Furniture. So just see this. Criteria range 1, criteria 1, Kentucky, criteria range 2, category, criteria 2, furniture. Okay. Next, one more criteria. So there is a segment called consumer segment. There is a segment called consumer. For the consumer segment, West region count I want to find out. Can we? Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Consumer segment, West region count I want to find out. Equal to, yeah, tell me. Count.
Count if.
COUNTIF
Count if. Yep, yeah. Column name. Segment. In this, what is my criteria? Consumer is my
Consumer.
criteria. Is my criteria. What is my criteria to?
West.
Region.
Region. West.
Very good. Done.
Yeah.
So shall we discuss one more example for the COUNTIFs?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So for the central region, for the chairs, I just need the count. So in the central region, for the central region, I just I just want art count. Let's say art count equal to
COUNTIF.
count ifs.
If
The criteria range one is the region.
region.
The
Central.
criteria would be central. I'm just selecting the central. The criteria range two is subcategory
Subcategory. Art.
in this art. $176. Guys, now tell me, you all are clear with these four functions because these are very, very important functions. I don't want to go forward like you guys without understanding this. Okay. SUMIF, SUMIFs, COUNTIF, COUNTIFs.
COUNTIF.
Is that okay for you? Everyone?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll discuss few examples for the average if. See, for the SUMIF average if, there is no difference actually. In the sum, like we are adding those values, like summing up. But here we are taking the average in the average if, right? The parameters or sorry, whatever the arguments, everything is same. Wherever in the SUMIF function we write the SUMIF, here we write the average range. Okay. There we write the sum range, here we write the average range. That's it. There is only one difference. Okay. So we will discuss that part. Okay.
Good.
For example, here I was taking the furniture profit. Now I'm going to find out the furniture average profit. Furniture average profit. Okay. See, equal to average if since it is a single criteria, okay, we will write furniture only one
Average.
single criteria we have. Okay. So I'm writing the average if. The range would be the furniture means like it's a category, right? Category I have selected, and then like the criteria is furniture. Okay. And average range would be profit. That's it.
Profit.
So what is the average profit for furniture? It's 8 rupees. It's a 8 rupees. Now, sorry, there is a labels in the subcategory. I just want to find out the labels average sales. Labels average sale value. I just want to find out. Equal to. What is the function name?
Average.
Very good.
Averages.
Average if, not the average if, because if is something that we use when we have a single criteria, if is used when we have a multiple criteria. Average if, the range is subcategory
Category. Label.
labels. Average range is
Sale.
very good. 34 rupees was the average sale value for the labels subcategory. And then for the art average quantity I want to find out. Art is subcategory. Yes. Now tell me. Equal to
Average.
average if
Subcategory. Art.
I also can write the criteria like this in the double quotes. Yesterday also I told you the same thing. Did you guys remember? So instead of selecting the value in the range, we can also directly write like this, art. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. What should be my average range? What is my question?
Quantity.
Clear? 3 quantity that we sold averagely for the art. Okay? Next,
Okay.
there is a technology. I just want to find out the technology average discount. Technology average discount. Yep. Yeah, tell me.
Average.
Average if
Category.
range is category.
category,
In this, I
technology,
have the criteria technology. Yes, I have selected the technology, and then the
discount,
average range is discount. Yes, 0.13
one,
is the average discount that we have given in the technology category. So I hope like you are clear with the average if. So we have discussed the different examples yesterday and today. Now I'm moving on to the average ifs. Average ifs. Okay. For the South region, for the phones, what is the average sale value? That is my question. South region, for the phone subcategory, what is the average sales? Average sales. Okay. Equal to.
Multiple criteria
average,
కాబట్టి
Average
average
ifs.
average
Very good, all of you. So what should be my average range?
sales,
Very good. I'm going to take the sales column. Okay. The
region,
criteria range is
region,
region.
south,
Very good. South. What is my criteria range to? Yep. What is my criteria range to?
సబ్ కేటగిరీలో ఫోన్స్ సార్
Subcategories.
phones,
Yes.
subcategory phones,
Exactly. I just need to select the subcategory. In that, I just need to select the phones.
four one,
So 416, whether rupees or dollars, whatever. So that is the average sale that is happen for the phones in the South region. For example, the same criteria for the South region. For the South region, not the phones this time. I'll take the binders. I'll take the binders. Average sale. Average sales. Okay. Yep. Equal to. Yeah. You guys need to tell me now.
average,
Average ifs. Average
sales,
range is sales.
sales,
Criteria range one is
region,
region. In that, what is my criteria? South is my
south,
criteria. And then criteria
subcategory,
range two is subcategory.
subcategory,
In that, like, what is my criteria? Binders.
bind,
Yep. Clear on this part, everyone. The average
yeah,
ifs.
ఎస్ సార్
Average
Yes,
ifs.
sir.
We'll see
Yes.
one more criteria. We'll see one more example. For the California, for the tables, average profit I need. For the California state, for the table subcategory, average profit I need. Okay. California tables, average profit I need. Yep. Yeah. Everyone in the
average,
class,
Equal
Average
average
ifs.
ifs.
profit,
Profit.
state, California,
State. In the state, what I need to
California,
select? California.
California.
Yeah.
subcategory,
Mm-hmm.
table,
Very good. So which is the loss negative number? That means which is the loss. So far we have discussed SUMIF, SUMIFs, COUNTIF, COUNTIFs, average if, average
Average.
ifs. Okay. So far so good, right, everyone?
yeah, sorry,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ఆల్ క్లియర్ సార్
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now we are going to discuss the max ifs and min ifs. Okay. Max ifs and min ifs. Okay. Those two functions. See here, you should remember one thing. There is no max if. There is no max if. There is no min if. Okay. There is no max if. There is no min if. Whether single criteria or double criteria, multiple criteria, we will write in the ifs itself. We'll write it within the ifs itself. Okay. There is no min if. There is no max if. Only we have max ifs and min ifs. I think like we are good with that. Now, I'll just ask you, find out one single criteria. What is the highest sale for the furniture? Highest sale or the maximum sale for furniture? Highest sale for furniture equal to max ifs.
Yes.
Max ifs. What is the max range?
Sales.
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 What is my criteria range one?
Fun-
Hmm?
Subcategory.
Category.
Category.
What is the question that I asked? For the furniture. So furniture is nothing but category column.
Category.
Category.
Yes. In this, what is my criteria? Furniture is my criteria.
Criteria.
Yeah. 4416. This is the highest sale happened for the furniture. Now this is the single criteria only. Furniture is the only one criteria. But still I have written it in the max ifs only. See the max range I have given, criteria range 1 I have given, criteria 1 I have given. Okay. But criteria range to criteria 2 I didn't give yet. Okay. But if I ask the question, for example, in the south region for the chairs, what is the highest sale? This is my question. For the south region, chairs, what is the highest sale? For the south region, for chairs, what is the highest sale? Now tell me, what is the function that we are going to use?
Max
Max
if.
ifs.
Max,
Ifs.
ifs,
If.
very good.
Sale.
What is the max range?
Sale.
Hmm?
Sale.
Very good. Sales I have given. What is my criteria
Region.
range one? We'll select the region. In this, we'll also select the south. Right? This is my criteria range 1 and criteria 1. So when coming to the criteria range 2, subcategory,
Subcategory. Chairs.
and then what is my criteria 2? Chairs. Right? See, here you need to observe one thing. 2803 is the value, that's the output value. That is the highest number for the chairs in the south region. But I'm using for the single criteria, for the multiple criteria, I'm using the same function. Am I right?
Yeah.
But here I'm passing only the single criteria, criteria range 1 comma criteria 1. But here I'm also using the criteria range 2 to criteria 2. Okay,
Okay.
is that clear?
Yes,
Yeah, sir.
yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, everyone. Now I'll tell you one thing. The same thing also we can write with the minifs. Okay, the lowest sales furniture. Okay, the lowest sales furniture. So yeah, you guys need to tell me.
Equals to
First
min
minutes.
Minifs. Okay,
sales.
Sales.
sales, comma. Yeah, what is my criteria range 1?
Subcategory. Furniture.
A. What is the subcategory? Here I have written what? Lowest sales for the furniture. Then it should be the
Furniture.
category.
Category. Category.
Yeah. And then
Furniture.
1.892 rupees is the lowest sale happened for the furniture. Okay. The same thing. South, chairs, lowest sale. Yep.
Equals to mini.
Minutes.
Equal to minifs. Ah.
Minutes.
Reason.
Min range is what?
Sales.
Sales.
Very good. And yeah.
Comma
What is my criteria?
region.
Mm-hmm.
West.
West or south?
South. South.
Okay.
Subcategory chairs.
Subcategory, comma, chairs.
Yep, guys, 33 is the 94. Now tell me, we are like almost like we have discussed arithmetic and statistical functions. So is that clear for you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
all clear, sir.
Okay. If someone has any doubts in the class regarding this session or yesterday's session, please go through the recording once again. Please try to practice once again because we have given multiple examples. Okay, for each and every criteria, we have given multiple criteria yesterday and today. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is there is something like some wildcards. Let's say here you can see the customer name. Here you can see the customer name. I want to find out the total sales for the customer name, which is starting with C, which is starting with C. Okay. So wherever the customer name is starting with C, I just want to find out the total sales for that. Total sales for that. Okay. Customer name starting with C. For them, I just want to find out the total sales. Okay. Let's see. What I'm going to do is the same SUMIF function I'm going to write. Okay. The same SUMIF I'm going to write once again, but the criteria I'm changing a little bit. Okay. Equal to SUMIF. Equal to SUMIF. The range would be customer name only. Okay. The range would be customer name only. Okay. But the criteria how we pass, this is the technique. See, the customer name is starting with C. So the rest of the characters will be fine. So I'm giving as a C star. Some range will be sales. See, 1,86,491. I want to verify this value. I want to verify this value. Customer name. Open this. Text filters begins with C. Now just select the sales column. See, 186,491. 186,491. We got the same value. Correct?
Yes.
186,491. See, here the customer name is starting with C. So in the criteria, what I have given, C star. For example, if I ask you the question, the customer name is ending with the Z. So how do you give? Star
Good.
Z.
Good.
Because here the star is the wild card which can represent any kind of characters. Okay. Good. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. For example, I'll ask a question. The customer name is starting with A and then ending with B. So how should I write? A star. Let's say customer name is ending with C. So this is where we can give. That's how we can give. Is that okay? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Like we have the 3 more minutes. Like if you have any doubts, you can just go ahead and ask. I'm stopping the recording here.